Hey guys, I'm back. This video is to the one person who even watches my freaking channel. Anyways, today I'm going to be doing some more trolling. You know what I mean. And I need to make a new account, so let's get straight to that. Alright, so I'm gonna be a female, because I was born in December, day 6th, and I was born all the way in 2000, no I wasn't, I was born in 1929, and my name is Doofenshmirtz. Doofenshmirtz. Itchy, itchy, but, good girl, itchy butt girl. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that's what it's gonna be. How does that not match? Alright. I think I did it. There. Okay, so I agree to stuff and things that people like to eat. So I got a mic, so I might sound much clearer than I used to. I used to like put my mouth up all the way onto itchy butt girl. I just can't. Okay, so I'm itching my butt, and we're going to be playing caps, raise a kid, adopt and raise kid. So basically, we're just gonna speak like a bunch of Spanish stuff, so people can be annoyed. So we're just gonna get like a boyfriend or something, and then we're just gonna keep speaking Spanish to them. Or we're gonna get a child, and then we'll keep speaking to him. Where is it? Adopt, raise a lonely child. Raise a lonely child. What pops up? Nothing. Okay. Oh. Raise kid. Alright. I will never ever be able to search it. Oh, there it is! I was just like about to pause the video and then be like, minutes later, guys. I did it. Let's do this. Yay. By the way, guys, if you see my channel art and whatever, well, not my channel art, but my profile thing that I drew, don't worry, that's not actually how I draw. I'm a good drawer, guys. Like, I'm not a bad drawer. Like, I'm not a bad, yeah. Move. Okay. So now we're here. I wonder what I look like, because I'm literally like, itchy butt girl. Look at all these. Oh my god, what have I done? I've done very beautiful things. Although, I think I've done something so wrong I can't even see my own body. My bootylicious body. I'm trying to stand someone's head that's invisible. Guys, want to hear a song to death? What the heck? What? Alright, we gotta run. We gotta make ourselves look very, very, very beautiful. Let's change right here. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. There. I don't. Itchy butt girl. You are oh my god. Yes. Alright, time to get itchy butt girl a girlfriend. I mean a boyfriend. What is wrong with me? Sandra is the name. Hi. Wanna be my boy? Oh, everyone hates me. He's running away from me. This is one. Here, this is one. Can I adopt you? Can I adopt you? I wanna be your mommy. I wanna be your mommy. No. Let's just adopt this child. This is our child now. Oh dear, I think we need to leave this server and join a different one because I think we look a bit too weird for people, why am I in that? Finally, it's loaded in. It took so long, but we are going to look like a traditional snazzy girl. So we're gonna put on no. I need to look as normally hot and spicy. It's every single other spicy girl. Even though I'm not spicy at all. They would probably have these horn things. Not this cap. This cap looks weird. This cap looks weird in her. Shirts. Obey. Pants. Ha! Ha! What am I doing? Let's get rid of this, and then wear that. Why? Oh, because I'm wearing these. Then we'll wear this. Shirts. Then wear. I don't know. That isn't good at all. I don't even know what to wear. We'll wear this. Get rid of this. Go. What is wrong with her? Oh my god. I need pants. There. Shirt. That. There we go. That looks nice now. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about. Good. Now we need to be carefully choose the girl. No, I can't even. Can't even anymore. We need to edit our avatar quickly. Why am I in this thing again? Okay, I finally got it. Look at this. This actually looks pretty good. So she's she's a very young one because she has cancer. I don't know why. She's young because she has cancer. Why don't we look in Spanish? You know what? Despacito lyrics. And then what we'll do is we'll just type it. Sandra. Needs boy, hot, pretty, popular. Go away. Popular. No. Aaron. Hot. Popular. Needs be. Nice. There. No. Aaron. Hot. Needs a boy. I need a boy. Yeah, I'll be back when I... Okay, I got someone. He actually thought I was his original Bab. Oh no! That was weird. I think we should go. I don't know where the house is at all. Run! Apparently this is our house. Okay, lock the doors! What is he doing? It's there! I'm wondering if I'm secretly getting trolled, but even though I'm trolling. Mwah. 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 Weird face thingy. Weird face thingy. Weird face thingy. Yeah. I don't know what that means. Spanish for, there we go. I have to be quick. Oh, come on. It doesn't let me say it. Wow. There. No, wait. Toy Cali. I think we should end this here because no one cares about my life. Goodbye.